Good morning, everyone. Aja here from Panda Monium. It is a beautiful day, and Scott and Terry are getting their property ready for the meetup. I hope to meet some of y'all if you decide to come. Remember, you do have to email them, though, if you want to get permission to stay on the property. I got a care package today, and Snickers. I've already opened that and been in that. This is from, let's see, Mr. and Mrs. Timothy Hayes. Thanks, y'all. Also, some moo-moo treats. More moo-moo treats. She actually loves these. Good fun. And I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. Looks like Panda. Oh, it is Panda. Look at the little solar panels on the side. That's so cute. I do have more solar panels on the roof, but so cute. Put that on my dash. I'm really not sure what it's a sticker, but it has my friends' names on it. Blue Van Dan, Dave Otto, Rossi Poo, Eric Pneumatic Fanatic, RV Joey, Seth Knight, Full Tiny House, Homer and Cat, Caravan Carolyn, Wandering Jimmy, and Destination Open Road. Just a bunch of little names. That's cute. I guess y'all are from Michigan. There's a Michigan map in there. Thanks. Thanks again for the care package. I do appreciate it. So I'm going to go ahead and get my day started. There is a project that I want to get done that I've been wanting to do for a while. So I'm definitely going to do that today. And I guess I'll show you a little bit of what they're doing here on the property. They're just cleaning up and trying to get things situated. So they've cleaned up this whole area and removed some of the stuff, so that way there's a nice gathering spot. And also lifted the grape arbor up a bit, added in a bar. They're still in the process of cleaning stuff, raking stuff up. Moo-moo, you sniffing it? Or are you helping? Yeah, so they've even, I've helped them. We've put lighting in up here. Added this bar, it's nice. Nice and solid. And a little bistro set's gonna go there. So if anybody wants to have a place to eat outside, it'll be nice once it's all done. The grapevine is so thick and full of grapes. I'm really excited about this. We're gonna clean up this table with these chairs, put it right here so there's another eating spot. But I do suggest bringing chairs because they won't have enough chairs for everyone. What you smelling, moo-moo, huh? Yes. As you can see, their property is at a slant, so they're going to try to do some leveling, but if you do come to the property, you probably want to bring some form of leveling as far as blocks, or if you have leveling jacks, because it does slant here. But they're going to clean all this up. Luckily, they have this big handy tractor. It did start out to be a beautiful sunny day, but the clouds did roll in. It's funny here in Silverdale, the weather is like that. But I am really excited. Remember, tomorrow, which is Friday the 9th, will be the last day you can submit an email to Terry and Scott at destinationopenroad2@gmail.com. So if you want to come, this video should be out today, which is Thursday. You do need to email them so they can put you on a list and get a card made, and then they're going to do a drawing, because only I believe 8 people they're going to be able to select, because the property's not that big. So they're going to have a drawing, which is I wish everybody could come, but yeah, there's just not enough room. They're gonna see how everything works out, and if they think more people can come, they'll select more names from the hat, but we'll have to see. I do have a project that I need to get done, so I need to change and get working on that project. It is this stair here. I actually have two problems. This wood had rotted out, and this step has become unstable, which has made the stairs that are attached to the bottom here unstable as well. Well, just on this side. But I have to unbolt it. I've already ripped everything. I've ripped the hardwood floor out. I think I'm gonna do something different here, something more waterproof, so I won't have to worry about this issue, hopefully again. I already have 3 bolts out. Now I'm just getting the last one here. They had put an undercoat here, so it's kind of hard to get these bolts off, but I'm doing it. The last bolt was being a bit stubborn, but it ended up breaking, which makes my job easier. I didn't have to unbolt it at all, it just broke off. So I am replacing these bolts with stainless steel, so I don't have to worry about the rust. Oh, I finally got that out. That was a pain in the butt. I was trying to not break it apart because I wanted to save it as a template for the holes and also the size, but I can just measure everything out. Yep, no more step. And I am going to check these brackets here, make sure they don't look rotted. If they are, this one I am gonna have to replace because it came out. And then I have to take this lip off. I already took the molding off of it. I just gotta take these screws off, and I'm gonna take this off so I can get to that bottom board there. All the screws are out, and I went ahead and pulled out the supporting board here. But it is pretty rotted. So I am definitely going to replace that. I set it in to dry fit it before screwing or nailing anything down, and it fits good, a little tight, but I'd prefer it that way. I gotta pull it back out, and then I'm gonna paint this with waterproof paint before I put anything in. Alright, I've got everything back in and painted. Looks good. I just have to figure out what I'm gonna put there. I want some kind of rubber matting, something that's easy to clean. So, I don't know. We'll see. Look what I got. You wanna try it? You wanna try it? Yeah. Oh! Well, you were excited about that. Well, I'm glad to have that project done. Now all I need to do is go to Home Depot and figure out what kind of matting I want to put down in that area. Also need to caulk the edges. I'm going to leave the front edge uncaulked because of the fact that there's drainage there. I just need to put some kind of screen and foaming there so water can drain if it does get on that area. And I've also painted it with a waterproof paint, so I don't have to worry about the wood rotting out. So I will do that today sometime. I also want to do another project, and that is to remove my sensor and put this anti-seize, as someone had suggested in a comment. I haven't driven anywhere, so it's fine. It should come off fairly easy. And then I'm going to put this on, and I had to buy this at the front counter because all they had were the big bottles. I was like, I didn't want to spend $10 on a bottle and carry it around when I just needed a little bit for that. So that's what I got. And I'm going to put this on my O2 sensor. And before I get back on the road for a second test drive, I want to check all my fluids, make sure they're all topped off and nice.
Oh, but you slide it down over the wire?
Yeah, you'll have to unplug the wire.
Oh, it's probably right here.
Yeah, right
Because
there.
it's still laying underneath there.
What? No, I got all the tools out. Oh, I left it there. Okay, wow.
Away from the darkness and the burning sun makes me wonder if I'm the real crazy one. I don't know what I've become. Turn my house into a jail. It's like I'm locked up in a cell now. But courage is the only key. Gotta come up with a plan and start acting like a man. And it's time for me to make a change.
Alright, everything is running. Everything is done and sounds good. So I am going to go to Home Depot here in a little bit, but I have a few more things that I have to get done. I want to go ahead and get this video out so people can get some more information about this meetup. So I'm going to end the video here and continue in the next video. So until then, stay safe and onward bound. Thanks for hanging out today. Bye, y'all. Love ya.